There's going to be increased scrutiny for each and every death that stems from abuse or mistreatment in the state for children.
That word coming from the state's Child Protection Ombudsman. That was announced today that they'll be starting with a review of a death that 9 wants to know, and the Colorado Sun reported on earlier this year. Investigator Jeremy Hohola is with us now. And Jeremy, the case they're looking into is now going to be getting a serious look.
Yeah, that's right, Tom. Timothy Montoya died after running away from a residential treatment center back in 2020. He was just 12 years old when his mother admitted him into the Tennyson Center for Children in Northwest Denver. He struggled with autism and PTSD. Timmy ran away from the unlocked facility and was hit by a car. He's just one tragic example of kids running away from centers like Tennyson. But Timmy's death has never been fully investigated. Why? It did not meet the criteria for the state to do a deep investigation. The Child Protection Ombudsman's office says it needs to fill that gap here. When a child dies, there needs to be more transparency and oversight when problems are found. Here's what the office said about Timmy during our investigation.
What was really tragic about the situation is that there is a lot we can learn. There is a lot that we should learn about why we weren't able to protect him in the facility where he resided.
And thanks to a new state law, Stephanie Villafuerte's office will have access to more documents and records surrounding a child's death. Her office plans to go public so people can learn what happened before a child died. And Tom, 2 state lawmakers here, a Republican and a Democrat, are also considering legislation to address the underlying problem we exposed about the runaway problems at local facilities. Back to you.
Yeah, certainly by these stories gives the idea that something needs to be done. Maybe it is finally going to happen. Thanks, Jeremy.